Hello. Today we will draw an elephant. E is for elephant. Let's start with a circle. Now, this is our face. We did not join the circle. Now, let's draw a shape like J and make a small circle on top. Let's bring it back. Here we have our trunk. Now, let's draw two cute little eyes. Again, circles. And two small eyebrows. Not too big ears. And here is your cute little elephant. How do we draw the letter E? One standing line, three sleepy lines. One, two, three. This is the letter E. E is for elephant. Excellent work. See you in the next one.